India has taken major strategic step by joining US-led Pax Silica initiative. This is more than just a technology agreement. It is a strategic move that could shape India's economic future, strengthen its security interest, and redefine its position in global semiconductor supply chain, led by the United States. Its main goal to secure supply chain for semiconductors, rare earth minerals, AI technology, data centers. In simple words, it is about controlling materials and technology needed for a modern electronic and artificial intelligence. India depends on imports for many electronic components and rare earth materials. Right now, China has controlled a large part of rare earth processing industry. Rare earth materials are used in electronic vehicle, mobile phones, defense equipments. If supply stops, industry suffer. By joining Pax Silica, India can reduce dependency on one country, get stable supply chain, attract new technology investments. So this move protects India's future industry. India did not join immediately when Pax Silica was first introduced. Why? Because India follows a policy called strategic autonomy. This means India does not want to be blindly join any group without understanding benefits. India carefully studied what advantage it will get, how it will affect relations with China, what investment will come. After negotiation and discussions, India decided to join was beneficial. Impact on China and India relationship. To understand what impact of India joining Pax Silica, we must look at its relationship with China, especially the border issue and the economic ties. India and China shares a dispute border known as a line of actual control, stretching from Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh. Tensions rose sharply after 2020 Galwan Valley clash. Although recent diplomatic efforts have helped stabilize the situation, the border remains sensitive. At the same time, China is one of India's largest trading partner. India imports electronic components, solar panels, and industrial machinery from China. So despite security concern, economic ties remain strong. By joining Pax Silica, India is not cutting off relation with China. Instead of it reducing dependence in critical sectors like semiconductor, rare earth minerals, while strengthening its own manufacture and supply chains. Looking ahead, the relationship is likely to competitive but controlled. There are many strategic rivalry in the technology and security, but continue cooperation in trade and multilateral formal like BRICS. India approaches remain strategic autonomy, engaging with all sides while protecting national interest. In simple words, China remains a neighbor, a competitor, an economic partner. While India recently signatory in the Pax Silica agreement, there are already 10 members. The United States and Japan are globally technology leader with a strong expertise in advanced research and semiconductor innovation. Australia is one of the world's largest exporters of lithium, which is essential for rechargeable batteries used in electronic vehicles and digital devices. It also has large deposit of rare earth elements which are import from modern technology. The Netherlands is a home to Advanced Semiconductor Materials Lithography, a company that makes advanced machines needed to manufacture high-end semiconductor chips. South Korea is globally known for producing memory chips and has a strong manufacture capabilities. Singapore has a long experience in semiconductor manufacturing and work closely with the US technology companies. Israel is strong in artificial intelligence, defense technology, and cybersecurity. The United Kingdom has the third largest AI market in the world and a strong innovation system with the research labs and startups. Qatar and United Arab Emirates have large investment funds are really investing in heavily building advanced AI ecosystem. Additionally, Canada and Europe Union, the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Taiwan attends the first Pax Silica summit as observation and may become a fully member in future. Why the US wants India now? The United States wants India in Pax Silica because India has huge engineering talent pool. India's fast-growing digital market. India has a strategic importance Indo-Pacific region. Adding India makes alliance stronger and more global. How India can become a data center hub? Pax Silica, it's not just about the raw materials. It also includes AI infrastructure and data center in India has a large IT workforce, strong software industry, growing digital economy. Many global companies are already building a data center in India. With secure supply chains and global partnership, India can become a major AI and data center hub. India joined Pax Silica to secure its technology future, to reduce dependency on one single country's supply chains, to grow AI and semiconductor industry. It is not about fighting China, it is about protecting India's long-term interest. The global technology race is growing and India wants to be prepared. For more information on current affairs, socio, political, economical news, subscribe our channel Flu's Factory, powered by curiosity, driven by facts.